Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about this outreach tools AI platform, which is Reply.io and Manyreach. So to get started, in 2025, Reply.io stands out as a powerful multi-channel sales engagement platform with support for cold emails, LinkedIn outreach, SMS, and calling, all in one unified dashboard. It offers advanced automation, AI-powered email writing, A/B testing, and built-in lead management, making it ideal for sales teams that want full control over their outreach. Manyreach, by contrast, focus purely on cold email. Its strength lies in its simplicity, fast setup, intuitive campaign builder, and clean UI geared towards users who just want to send personalized emails without all the extra features. While Manyreach is fast to masters and better for lean teams or solo founders, Reply.io wins in overall power, flexibility, and skills. So if you need a multi-channel campaign and advanced tracking, Reply is clear choice. But if you just want lightweight cold email outreach without the complexity, Manyreach is a more efficient fit. And here's the viral conclusion. So Reply.io for advanced sales ops, while Manyreach is for fast, focused email campaign. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.